Hey everyone, DW Rugs here, back again with another video. And for this video, I decided to do a BMW logo rug that I made for my roommate. He drives a BMW 328i, and so I'm giving it to him. So yeah, let's get into the video. So, as always, we are going to head out to my little supply closet and grab the backing fabric for this rug. After that, we will begin stretching the fabric onto the back of the frame, ensuring that each side has a tight fit. I'll then grab my projector and project the image onto the fabric. Always be sure to reverse your image before tracing. Now that the image is all traced, it's time to begin. I usually buy my yarn from Michaels since it's fairly inexpensive, and these are the colors of this rug. Here's how I set up my yarn on my yarn holder so that it feeds through the gun properly without getting caught. And here's the tufting gun that I'll be using. As always, I'll go one color at a time, starting with the color blue for this rug. This rug only consists of 3 colors, which is rather easy. Now, some tufting. For this rug, I'm going to be doing a lot of sculpting. So once I finish the blue, I'm going to flip the frame around and shave the rough edges of what I just tufted for a smooth finish. And then, moving on to the white. Same thing with the white. Once I'm finished, I will shave the rough edges for a smoother finish. And finally, the black. As the rug is finishing up, please be sure to leave a like, comment, or subscribe. I also want to take a moment to say thank you, because my goal for the last video was to hit 100 subscribers, and now we are almost to 200. So thank you all very much for supporting. With the tufting all done, I'll go grab my Roberts 3095 carpet adhesive to apply to the back of the rug to ensure a strong hold. Okay, now that it's all dry, it's time to put the backing on. So here's some other sculpting methods I've been trying, like using scissors to make the edges even more smooth, and also going over and shaving the edges once the rug is done as well. Here's the before and after for me sculpting the letters. Now it's time to shave the rug down to get a nice even finish. I just recently purchased a guard for my mini shaver and I love the way it works so far. I'll vacuum the rug once before I shave around the edge for a smooth finish. Lastly, the final vacuum to reveal the final product. Thank you all so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. The support means a lot to me as I continue to grow this channel. And also, feel free to check out my Instagram at dw.rugs where I post all of my work, and message me if you'd like to order a custom. Cheers everyone.